In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a Payhip form to send emails. If you're looking to enhance your Payhip store with a customized contact form that seamlessly integrates and sends emails, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure that you have a functional and effective form setup for your store. To start, you'll need to choose a contact form provider. Popular options that are compatible with Payhip include services like Bowai or Common Ninja. These platforms offer versatile contact form widgets that you can easily integrate with your online store. When selecting a provider, consider factors like ease of use, available customization options, and how well they align with your business needs. Once you've chosen a provider, it's time to create your contact form. Using the provider's platform, begin designing your form. Think about what information you need from your customers and customize the fields accordingly. For instance, you might want fields such as name, email, and message. Most platforms will offer additional settings to tailor the form to your preferences. Be sure to review these settings, ensuring everything looks good and will function the way you want it to. After finalizing your contact form design, the next step is to obtain the embed code from your chosen provider. This code is usually in JavaScript or HTML format and is critical for embedding the form directly into your Payhip store. Make sure to copy this code accurately, as any changes could affect how the form functions or appears on your site. Now let's move on to embedding this form in your Payhip store. Start by logging into your Payhip account. Once you're in, navigate to the Store section and look for the option labeled Launch Your Store Builder. This will take you to the area where you can make changes to your store's layout and appearance. In this editor, you'll want to click on Add section. From the options provided, select Embed Code. This will create a new section where you can paste the embed code you copied earlier from your contact form provider. After pasting the code, make sure to check how the form is displayed to ensure it's exactly how you intended. Double-check that everything appears correctly, and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, once you're satisfied with how the form looks and functions, save and publish your changes. This will make the form live on your site, allowing your customers to use it immediately. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to integrate a custom contact form into your Payhip store and ensure it sends emails efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or leave them in the comments below. Happy selling!